Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of August 18th, 2015. As always, we're going to look at charts that I stare at all day that come from the Trade Navigator software. And the first chart is a weekly bond market chart, U.S. Treasury bonds, and you can see the last few weeks have had a really nice, solid, consistent rally here. When the Fed wants to raise interest rates and the bond market goes straight up, that's a bit of a problem, isn't it? This week so far has backed off a bit, but it's just inside of the previous week, no damage done at all. And in fact, they're near some support here. 157.04 is the logical support if they're going to continue the uptrend, with a target, well, let's call it 160.08 as a possible upside target here. The thing is, they could break down to this lower moving average, which is in the 155 area. That's still above the highs of this congestion area here, and no damage would really be done if they broke that far. I'm not sure they will break that far, but they certainly could, and it still wouldn't be terribly meaningful, like things have changed drastically. So market looks awfully good. 57.04 or 155 are the two areas that I'd be looking at as potential support this week. Now, looking at the U.S. stock market, I challenge anybody to look at this chart in its entirety and find a descriptive word that isn't profane. This just sucks. They're not doing anything. Everything that they start to do fails immediately. It's just the most difficult trading period I can recall, and I've been doing this a while. For this week, we're looking at resistance around 2106 and support around 2055. I'm not sure if we should expect them to hold or expect them to break. If they do break, I don't know if it'll be significant because everything that's broken so far in the last 6 months has just been recovered right away. My greatest fear is that they can't do anything until the Fed actually makes a move. That's not scheduled until September, and with what's happening in the bond market and the economic issues in China and what they've done with their currency, I'm not sure they can make a move in September either. We could be on hold for a long time here, and it just sucks because it's very difficult to find a way to make money. I mean, you could try selling the highs and buying the lows in this sideways, but it's awful risky because if they ever do decide to move, you may not have time to get out of the move going against you. So I've got nothing I can do here. I hope you can find something profitably to get yourself involved with, but I don't think it'll be this market. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.